What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning into this video. My very first and very second video that I ever made on YouTube was a cold start and an exhaust video. Pretty low quality. They really kind of sucked. Since then, I have just swapped out the 5-inch exhaust tip for a 10-inch exhaust tip. It did make quite a bit of difference. Right now I am running a GM5 turbo, 3-inch downpipe, 4-inch straight pipe, all the way to the 10-inch tip. I do have the aftermarket crossover pipe between the manifolds. It definitely does sound a lot better than what it did, especially from factory. So thought I might try to be able to redeem myself from those videos, but I guess we shall see. Hopefully that was a little better than the two videos before. You can definitely hear the turbo a little more now that I got the wastegate mod done to it, and it definitely smokes a lot more now that I have the Fast 165 and the marine injectors. I guess if that's what you're going for, big black clouds of smoke, and then marine injectors, Fast 165. Other than that, I do plan on getting another turbo for it. I'll kind of leave that up in the air. See a bunch of, recommendations as far as, go HX35, HX40, Super 60, Super 54 turbo. So we'll see. I'd like to kind of do something that is a little out of the norm, but we'll see. And hopefully, that will give me a little more turbo whistle. Right now, with the wastegate, I'm building 22 pounds of boost max on my boost gauge. Please, for the love of God, don't don't turn your factory turbo up to that. I only have it there because if I need to get it out around a vehicle in a fairly quick manner because they're being super slow, I just get out around them. But I typically keep the turbo rated at 11 to 15 psi. I don't like to run it over that, especially for long periods of time. You can burn out the turbo really quickly. Mine's kind of starting to show the signs of early turbo failure, but I do have plans on getting a new one for sure. Let me know down in the comments what you guys run on yours, or if you have any recommendations, anything that you guys run on your trucks that you might like to see me do to mine. And when I get a new turbo, I will do a full install. I haven't shown any installs on this truck as of any time except for my Instagram. I try to do them on that. Try to be more active on Instagram than I used to as well, but all in good time. I will make videos of the install and all the installs of every other part that I buy for this truck. This truck is long from over as far as the project goes. I do have tons of plans for it, and I hope you guys stay tuned. If you like this video, please let me know. If you have any questions or anything you want to see on this truck in particular, please let me know. I will make a video. So far I've been good. Made a video every week since I've decided to start this, at least one video a week. So let me know what you guys think. This is the second 6.5 I've ever owned, and I like these trucks a lot. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos or keeping up with it, please let me know. I do have an Instagram, and you guys can follow me there if you want to keep up on a relatively regular basis with this thing. If not, I make videos, or a video every week. I might get into another video tomorrow, but if you guys like 6.9s, 7.3s, 6.5s, and 6.2 IDI diesels, me and my wife run an Instagram page called IDI Legends. We feature everybody's IDI diesel. Doesn't matter if it's been swapped into that vehicle. It doesn't matter if paint's missing. It doesn't matter if there's patina all over it. We love these trucks, and we understand that there's a bunch of people out there that also love these trucks. We love seeing them. I do have plans to build another one, which I will go through every aspect of that truck, the full build. You guys are just about halfway on this build. Then again, it may change over time. I do plan on doing a bunch of different stuff to it, but I would love to buy just a bone stock truck, just something you wouldn't even shake a stick at, and make it into something moderately impressive at some point. That doesn't mean right now, but would love to do that. My wife wants an IDI, and we'll go through the build on that. But if you guys are interested in IDI Legends, we do plan on making stickers soon. I have a couple stickers on my pickup. We got just the IDI Legends and IDI Till I Die, and we have a few others in the make. I got a bunch of them on my toolbox at work, but if you guys are interested in that, showing off your pride to these things, I mean, that would be greatly. And please don't feel obligated like you have to. We are just making these because, you know, we like these trucks a lot. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will get to them. And you know, if you like this video, please let me know. I'll continue to make videos. But thank you guys.